Good afternoon to all. I am Samruddhi Sandeep Shinde from Acharya Academy. Currently, I am studying in class 12. So, today, on occasion of Teachers' Day, I am going to teach you a topic animal tissue. I'll not teach you the full topic, but some part of it. Will cover some part. Firstly, I would like to wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day and thank you all for your support and guidance. So, let's start the topic. I'll present the screen. Okay, are you able to see the screen?
Yes.
Okay, so the chapter name is animal tissue. We'll start the chapter. We'll cover some points from the chapter. Okay, we'll start. First, we'll see what we are going to see today in this topic. We'll see what is tissue, then histology, then types of tissues. We'll see some only basic things and types of tissues because the chapter is too much lengthy and we don't have too much time. So we'll start. Okay, we'll start from some revision or let's recall type question. Last year, in previous class, we have studied about tissue, cell. Have you studied?
Yes.
So tell me what is cell? Anyone? Definition of cell or what is cell? Who invented that? Just tell what is cell or simple definition of cell.
Cell is basic building blocks of all living things.
Yes, you're right. Okay, so cell is the structural and functional unit of life, or same, whatever you told, same, it's the meaning. So we know what is cell. So in this chapter, we will learn what is tissue, then the histology, what histology actually means, and types of tissues. So we'll go further. We'll see. First, we'll see what is tissue. Can you recall we have learned tissue in last year, also in 9th standard biotechnology chapter?
Yes. Yes.
So tell me the definition of tissue and who was the founder of tissue or modern histology. Anyone share your answers. Don't sit quiet. Share your answers. Anything you know about tissue or this chapter related. Share your views. Speak whatever you want to speak, like what is tissue. You know, actually we have learned this many times in previous classes, in 10th standard, 9th standard. You know the answer. So speak out what is the answer or what is tissue. Anyone?
Tissue is a group of cells which have specific function.
Okay, right.
Similar function.
Okay. So basically what is tissue? Tissue is a group of cells having same embryonic origin, structure and function. So tissue, we know that tissue is made from cells. Cells combine to form tissue. So tissue is made from cells. Many cells combine together and tissue is formed. We know that how body is formed, our human body is formed or any other body. It is formed from cells. First cells combine together to form tissues. Then two tissues comes together to form organs and organs make organ systems. Then many organ systems come together to form a body. So basically tissue, cell, it is the basic thing like for what the organ systems are composed of. So we know what is tissue now. Tissue is a group of cells having same embryonic origin and function. So we'll see further what is histology. Anyone know what is histology? Am I audible? Are you listening me?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, your voice is coming.
So histology is the study of structure and arrangement of the tissue. So we know what is tissue now. So further we have to study the structure and arrangement of the tissue. We have to study structure, arrangement. So this study of structure and arrangement of tissue is known as histology. Okay, you're getting my point?
Yes.
Everyone. So
Yes.
now you're clear with histology. So we'll see further. So who is known as the father of modern histology? Mary Francois Xavier Bichat. He was the French anatomist and pathologist who is known as the father of modern histology. Okay. Can anyone tell me who invented or who discovered tissue? Yes, anyone? Bhakti, Dura, Mukta. Answer, please answer. You know the answer. The answer is in front of you only, in the screen itself.
Mary Francois Xavier Bichat.
Yes, that's why he is known as the father of modern histology, because histology means structure and arrangement, the study of structure and arrangement of tissue, and he only invented tissue. That's why he is known as father of modern histology. He was born in year 1771 and died in year 1802. So now we are clear with histology and tissue. Basic things we are clear with. So now we'll see what are the 4 types of tissues. So the main 4 types of tissue, animal tissues are epithelial tissue, connective tissue, nervous tissue, and muscular tissue. Okay. Can you see in the picture the 4 types of tissues?
Yes.
Yes, it is.
Okay, so these are the 4 types of tissues, and these tissues are further classified into the subtypes and all. It's a big, huge chapter. So we'll only study what is epithelial tissue shortly. We'll just do a like small revision type, or you. This will be helpful you when sir will start the chapter in academy. So we'll see what is epithelial tissue. Yeah, understanding now, everyone.
Yes.
Okay, so I'll go for. So what is the epithelial tissue? We'll start here. So epithelial tissue, it is first animal tissue. So anyone know the function of epithelial tissue or where it is
Intestine.
present? One. Okay. See, I'll tell you. It's raining outside. Okay. Listen. I'll tell you in Marathi only. जेव्हा आपण पाऊस येत असतो तेव्हा बाहेर असतो वाटतं का आपल्या स्किन मधनं पाणी आतमध्ये जाईल or our skin will why skin do not absorb the water or why water do not go inside our body? Anyone knows the reason? Hello? Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes.
So our body has a covering skin. So skin is made up of tissues. So that tissue, epithelial tissue, is present in our skin, and it acts as an outer and inner covering to our body. So that's why due to epithelial tissue, our skin is made up of epithelial tissue. That's why the water do not go inside, or it protects. It covers the external and internal surface of our body or body organs. So this epithelial tissue is compactly arranged. You know what is compactly arranged? Means there is no intercellular space between the matrix. So we'll see now what are the shapes, how are the shapes of this tissue. So this tissue is polygonal, cuboidal, columnar in shape. Its shape is polygonal. It is of different shape, that is polygonal, cuboidal, or columnar. Are you getting my point, everyone? Why are you too silent like this? Like I am the only one who is talking, nobody is responding.
Understanding.
Understanding.
And it's like I'm only talking continuously and nobody is responding. Okay, now respond.
Understood.
So see, we'll see the nucleus, where the nucleus is. So nucleus in epithelial tissue, it is at the center or at the base. Or at the base, it is at the center or at the base of basement membrane. Every tissue has a basement membrane at the below. Basement membrane means the last base, at the base of the tissue. It is known as basement membrane. So what are the functions of this? Now only I told you that is protection. It protects our, it is in skin, so it protects our body. So some functions are protection, absorption, transportation, filtration, and secretion. Are you getting functions? There are many functions. Main function is protection.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So epithelial tissue is further classified into 2 types, that is simple epithelium and compound epithelium. Simple epithelium, it consists single layer. of cell. It is made up simple. From the name only itself, we get to know that what is simple epithelium. Simple means a simple structure. So simple, it consists only of one layer of cells. So it is simple epithelium. And compound means one or two. We have learned in English that what is compound. So compound is one or two or many layers. So many layers are present in compound epithelial tissue. So again, these tissues are further classified into 7 types. Then compound tissue is classified into types. We will not see that. We'll see only simple introduction. When sir will start the chapter, that time you will know, means like answer the questions. What are the basic things to start the chapter? Did you understand all the points?
Yes.
Okay, we'll have a quick revision on this again. Now you have to speak. You have understood everything. So start from what is tissue. Quick answers.
Tissue
What
is
is
a group of cells.
Tissue is a group of cells with particular function.
good? Then histology.
Study of arrangement.
Study of cell, tissues, and organs.
Yes, right. And there are 4 types of tissue. Anyone name the 4 tissues, main 4 tissues. Animal 4 tissue. Wait, I'll present the screen. I'll show you. We have learned that 4 tissues.
Epithelial, connective nervous, and muscle.
Yes, this is the basic things, muscular. And anyone like repeat what I taught you in epithelial tissue. Repeat anyone. Actually, what I told you in epithelial or what I taught you in that thing. Like simple, basic characters that were basic characters of epithelial tissue. Repeat that.
Functions of epithelial tissue are protection, filtration.
Yes.
It is
You're right.
Absolutely.
Okay. Shape, anyone? How is the shape of it? Okay. So everyone is clear with this?
Yes.
Okay. So I'll end. I was supposed to teach this much only because I don't want to have too much stuff and like confusing lecture. Just small lecture only in for the introduction of the chapter. Now you are familiar with the basics or basic concepts of that chapter, animal tissue.
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone is clear with that?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Did you all understand all the concepts, or should I repeat again, or any doubt? You can ask.
Understood.
No, understood.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay. So today we learned 4 things. Means first is cell, revision only we did. Then tissue, histology, and types. 4 types. We just have a short review on that. That's it.